Hello Gingerbread and Jellybean, welcome again to another episode of JVLOGS. Hope everybody is alright, hope everybody is doing good. So today I want to ask the question, what are you doing to make your life better? Like seriously, what are you doing to make your life better? I know a lot of people have plans, like they write down their plans, they have trips to make, they need to go to school, they need to further their education, they need to get a job. But my question to you, what are you doing to fulfill your dream? What are you doing to make your life better? Many people sit down and they procrastinate. Like literally, they keep saying, oh, there's so much things that I have to do, but I don't have the resources to do it. Yes, I can understand when you don't have the resources, to go ahead and do what you need to do. Go ahead and turn your dreams into a reality. But if you don't make the baby steps to get to your dream, how are you going to do it? So ask yourself that question. How am I going to reach my goal if I don't make the baby steps? If I don't put certain things in place to actually reap the success or benefit in the long run? So put aside the fear of failing as well and just motivate yourself and tell yourself, hey, I can do it. Try to do little things, put the little things into play, whether it be reading each and every day, read a chapter a day, whether it be listening to some audio clips, motivational speeches. All those stuff can actually help you to motivate yourself so you can achieve your goal. Don't be deterred by people saying, oh, you don't need to go back to school or you don't need to learn these things. Yes, if you need to get somewhere in life, then you need to learn certain stuff. So if you're at a restaurant working and you want to open a business down the road in the same field where it's culinary, you need to learn how to do it. So not because you're there and the work is, you might be miserable with your coworkers or stuff, mean that you can't do it. Learn how to do it so it will help you down the road. So my message to you guys, try to put things into play. Try to go after your dream. Just try to do the little things that actually help you to achieve your goal later down the road. And just be confident in everything that you do and motivate and push yourself. Surround yourself with people that are going in the same direction with you. And you'll see your dreams come true or see them align. So again, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more. In the description below, in the comment below, leave your comment. Tell me what you think about this topic. Are you doing things to make your life better? Share that with me. Remember people, subscribe for more. JVLOGS, I'm out.